1930, I mentioned the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution began. These are a couple of the original buildings. The Smith Lab to my right, and here the Bigelow Lab to the left. Big cupola up there you can see all around Woods Hole as well. Again, these are some of the early buildings. The Oceanographic Institution, world-renowned, second largest employer on Cape Cod right now, and most recently best known for the discovery of the Titanic and a lot of the work that's being done by the Alvin. So directly behind me is the Candle House, one of the most historic structures anywhere in Woods Hole. You see the replica of the Charles W. Morgan, a whaling ship, which is based in Mystic Seaport in Mystic, Connecticut. The house itself made out of stone because of the oil here. The whale oil was brought in, was processed into spermaceti candles. See, way at the very top there, you see the very top of the wheel on the fourth floor. There was a series of pulling systems went down to the whole building. This is part of the major research center at the Marine Biological Lab.